Hello everyone. In this video, we'll learn how to install external APK apps on our Xiaomi Mi TV Stick. First, I want to mention that this method doesn't require any additional devices. We only need our Xiaomi Mi TV Stick and an internet connection. We won't need a computer or a mobile phone. We'll do everything directly on the device. Before we start, we need to activate developer options on our Xiaomi Mi TV Stick. To keep this video short, I've linked another video above explaining how to activate developer options. Check that out first, follow the steps, and then come back to this video. Now that you've activated developer options, let's begin the process. First, we need to download an app on our Xiaomi Mi TV Stick. The app is called Downloader. I have it, but you can find it in the Google Play Store. Once there, if we tap the search icon, popular apps appear below, but we can also search. If we type down, it shows up after just typing DOU. We'll download the orange app with a white D that says Downloader. When you find it, tap to install. You'll see Install instead of Open or Uninstall. Tap Install, let it finish, then we can hit Open. At first, you'll see several pop-ups. I have an update one here. Click OK and you might get a permissions update too. It's crucial to click Yes on that permissions window to allow file access. Why? Because without file access, it can't install or download anything. So it's important to click Yes. In the Downloader app, we have two different ways to download files. One is by searching online for downloader codes. You can find these codes on various websites leading directly to APK app downloads. For example, try this code, 597058, to see how an app installs directly from a numeric code in this bar. Once you've got it set up, just hit Go and you're done. Besides entering codes, this app also has a special browser for direct app downloads, avoiding any download issues. You can access the browser section, which is a regular browser, and enter any APK download site at the top. If you click it, as you can see, the browser directly opens the appkmirror.com website. Here, we'll accept the terms. The basic requirements. As you can see, we're on the appkmirror.com website. This site lets us download APK applications. Just use the search bar, find the APK app and download it. For it to work, the app must be Android TV compatible. Some apps only work on phones or touch devices, not on TVs. When searching, add Android TV in parentheses next to the app name. Here are various APK apps you can install on your device. Not all will work, but you can try some smart TV apps and install them directly from here. Another site for downloading APK apps is APK, as you can see. Here, you'll find all types of APK apps to download. Just consent, and you can get apps for your Xiaomi Mi TV Stick. As you can see, we have various APKs to install. This is another method using a different website. I'm showing you this to demonstrate that we can use any APK website to download apps directly to the device. As mentioned earlier, some will work, others won't. Always try to download the Android TV version for compatibility with smart TVs. Here I've given two examples, AppKmirror and APK, but this works with any website you can download APK apps from. If you know a site with an APK you want, just enter the web address here and download it easily. Well guys, that's all for this video. As always, I hope this has been helpful. If so, don't forget to like, it's super important. Also, subscribe and hit the bell to stay updated. That's all from me. As always, it's been a pleasure. See you in the next video.